Hello everyone. Today I am going to talk about the Bogota bag or the temporary abdominal bag closure. The Bogota bag is a sterile plastic bag used for closure of abdominal wounds. It is generally a sterilized 3-liter genitourinary irrigation bag that is sewn to the skin or the fascia of the anterior abdominal wall. These temporary abdominal closure techniques are most commonly used in cases of abdominal compartment syndrome, in which decompressive laparotomy is necessary to reduce intra-abdominal pressure to restore blood flow. It is used to postpone definite closure until the underlying cause of the elevated intra-abdominal pressure can be resolved. Other techniques include the use of absorbable mesh, the Whitman patch, as you can see, the Whitman patch is shown here in the image above, and the negative pressure wound therapy, which is shown below, and dynamic closure systems. These techniques are characterized by a tension-free closure. In addition, it acts as a barrier that prevents disembowelment and loss of fluids. Another advantage is that the abdominal contents can be visually inspected, which is particularly useful in cases of ischemic bowel. As you can see here, the Bogota bag shown here is transparent, but gauze is placed under it, so hence the bowel contents cannot be visualized. But otherwise, when the gauze is not placed, the ischemic bowel necrosis and damage can be seen through the transparent Bogota bag. The Bogota bag can be used in cases of burst abdomen following laparotomies, especially those using a midline vertical incision. As we know that burst abdomen is very common in midline vertical laparotomies. Burst abdomen is usually characterized by a seroceranginous pink discharge from the wound 6 to 8 days after surgery, in which the Bogota bag is generally useful as it helps in drainage of the discharge by the negative pressure and helps in rapidly increasing the speed of healing of the wound. As you can see, a polyethylene sheet is placed above the Bogota bag. Silicone drain with negative pressure source, hence it is also known as silo bag, SILO. Adhesive drape for vacuum seal, for vacuum sealing of the wound. Thank you.